So this is in regard to the recent incident that happened, 2, 3 days back. So me myamnasu ubiramani tabiramani videos me am sinkiba, but let us all remember that every coin has two sides. Ko moigi side of story tabaroi hai. Huzik, please listen to our side of story. So aina ahang bamaktra haijaning badi. Huzik ki hariba auntie haisra ima haisra ma se lungbiram da leibanatte. She is from Imphal second Mardik Lapane. And then aina ngasi haning badi sigi thodok se noina lungviram han haibasi lungviram gi relate kari sulaite madi individually as an individual person mana lamle hi bani amson haiba mi adagi ko and aduga amson haiba sine kanara haiga he is the chief of konsakhul. So amson se konsakhul gi ning thone ba aduga amson sina kari toba haiga akhoi leilon khunau gi lamdu mana yonthok Yonthot lambado, a hoindicate kangbide. So, for example, Noigi compounder, Noigi yum mamang to the Noigi, lamduda, mean a yum sagi and la adika is without any prior notice, without anything beforehand, la aga lam sagi and la adi. What would you think? Let me just briefly tell you what really happened. Go, without any filter. That 6 numitsida, JCB Puraga, yum sanangai landu takke na lakpane ba moise ko laga and then after akoina khamba matungda we went to them and we requested them earnestly very humbly akoina request ubane ba asise akoi gilegon khuno gilamne asi please sabiganu without any prior notice ka idletabida asmain sabiganu Horen kona present clarity leraga ngangnaba matungda you can continue your work, but for now please hold tobio sabi ganu haibaneba ko present request ore or workers ma'am sulaye and then yanaraga moyum chakre and then the next day am ka moy laeba laaga they still continue the same thing and then obviously akoi su am ko chat tabani and then am ko chat lure request present ore yade si tawganu there will be a problem afterwards, but still, moina they try to continue their work. Moi ki thabak tawdo, yum saningai gi lam takpado taweba. Aduda leiron khunau gi authority ga moi ki amson gi moi ki authority ga laeba. Ngangnaraga tawba yaroi ngai haieba. And then they keep on talking about Ireland. Akoi gi lamne, akoi gi lamda yum sagi. Tawraga moina khami haiba adu khamdu karigi maramra su hai deba in video me am yenge ba karigi noi gi landri su hai draga noi like you talk as if noi gi lamda hoina thingapogumna cookie singa la aga thingapogumna haiba please do not do that khangbra we all are Christians, we all believe in God ko huzik matam se yamna very tense matam neba as we all know kari issue thok prana and on top of that we like, adding oil to the fire, please don't be ganuba. And then you don't have to include the whole Naga society because of this. Because of your individual concern, nang mi am pura ganuba. As the situation is already worst, please don't try to add oil to the fire. Ado haijaning badi. Ado, my dear auntie, my dear mom, ay ima gumbani ko. Noina, si se, ehoy gilamne hardi. Please bring your legal documents. No illegal government recognized over documents like that. No na kamay na like kadi wakal lega. Ako gilamni hay na no claim to ba yabraba. Ako gilegan kuno gimingdadi. We all have each and everything documented. Kambra government recognized over document legal document do leyeba. Ado no gi kaisu legal kaisu like na. Ako gilamni kuki machas na la aga phubi ado to bi habdo. Nang kadi wakal lagi nang wana conscience habas later braba. And then you keep on talking about how people exalted you. Aduga pubi phone should lambi at my tobudu. Katay story laga nang sakat panoba. Ay yam nga eba. Please listen to me carefully. Nang I know that nang nungayam dabayay pesame am tinguraga lamdali roga nang gilamduda. Like I understand your concern. I me ko. But that is between you and Amson. Amson and nangwanda karigi lam yolambra ma yinatabadu. That's not up to us. Khangbra ahoy ga kari su relate de. But still ahoy nangwanda fazana request tawraga si tawbiganu fazana ngangnaraga adu taraga you can continue your work haizabane ba. Adu nang na hosi drama thoibase kaino ba. You shouted this and that in media da kaino nganga like falsely me bu kera involved on badu karigit mai tawbra heba. And then to all my dear CSO executives and leaders, just because as an issue, an incident, no in a kari issue tigatabida, you know, like I've said, coincida front and back lego. Adudu for ama side to kari issue tigatabida, no in a lambi tingba adudu tabudu. Like, why did you do? It's my earnest request. If you really want, you know, the truth to be, you know, prevailing, magi truth to asing to prevail toge, kangdo ke hardy, please, pazana tigapiyo. No, you ama side story, kak tatabiganuba. I know, like, the situation is already very worse right now. But still, I am earnestly requesting you. Situation do, kamay tora, kamay tobra. Karigi maram de gitokbra, adu pasan tigat piyu. And last but not the least, very most importantly, kananasu, antibu, imabu, exalto bide, pubide, aduga molest tawgira natraga rape tawgira adugumba karisu laite. No one even threw your phone. Ko ahoy nang na video ko man namra aduda taraga. We just earnestly requested you adumay tawganu lana thokhini adumba nambiganu pasangana se ashi tawganu hay bahaiza baneba aduga nang na mi la aga phubi adumay tawbudu kadai digi lakpano ba aduga adu request tawriba mi rusu nupi ne ko nupa na nangwanda la aga adumay hay banate ba. Ahoy na puning di nupa ani ahung lebudu puroidro blue and black tahan loidra ba adun na tabida kadai de gino na story sakat padu the audacity that you have as a Christian woman go as a mother ay nga eba. That is why I was compelled to make this video. Aduga mi mayam na khang ngai di ahoy gi anti haijari base lungviram da leiba sunate ma Imphal digi lakpani ko second ma Imphal digi lakpani. Please, no, let's stop making allegations, false accusations. Go, let's all hope for the better, but never with lies. Aduga, to all my aigi and ima auntie liang my women society bu, aina please, aina request of tausaningba, appeal tausaningba di, pot se achumba karira, pasana titok piyu. Adu kari su khangdana mi amagi story khak taraga ko like support blindly support obiganu khangbra. We all are Christians, forget about them, but we all are Christians. Ishort hazaba mi ngaktani. So please pot khuding mak se chumgira langira phazana thigat laga ngangna se asumai media da video namraga tumaina thadoga sandokpadu tobiroi se tobiganu please. Ko noise story say it's very bad without knowing the like real truth. Ama thigatana please tawbiroi se please